So let's start with the chapter number 10, back exercises, students, that we will be discussing today and the question answers. So here is the screen share of chapter number 10, back exercises. So we will be starting today with it. First one is your MCQs. Okay, so let's start with the discussion of MCQs. Okay, so first one, let's ask the first answer to Kanav. Which software is used to create animation, Kanav? Kanav, unmute yourself. Which software is used to create animations? Okay, Bhavya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which software is used to create animations?
Ma'am, Flash.
Right, the correct answer is Flash. So coming upon to the next one, side by side, mute yourself when you give the answers, correct? Next one, the first answer is Flash, correct. So Harshia, the next answer, which of the following is used to place the graphics and drawings? Unmute yourself, Harshia.
Ma'am,
Right.
stage.
The correct answer is stage. Stage is used to place the graphics and drawings. So coming upon to the next one, Suhana. Which tool is used to draw flowing curves? Suhana?
Pen tool.
Pen tool. Right. The correct
Pen
answer
tool.
is right. Pen tool. Very good. Coming upon to the next statement. All right, Kanav. Which tool is used to make freehand drawings? Kanav. Unmute yourself. Okay, Bani. Bani. Which tool is used to make freehand drawings? Bani, do you know the answer, Rita? Which tool is used to make freehand drawings? Okay, let's move for this answer towards Puranjay. Yes, Puranjay.
Ma'am, pencil.
Which tool is used to make freehand drawings? The answer is pencil. Right, pencil tool. The correct answer is pencil tool. Clear? Coming upon to the next one. Let's ask this answer from Arjun. Which shortcut key is used for the paint bucket tool? Unmute yourself, Arjun.
Ma'am, yes.
Which shortcut key is used for paint bucket tool?
Ma'am, B.
B is the wrong answer. The correct answer is K. K is the shortcut key for paint bucket tool. Am I clear? Coming upon to the next exercise of your chapter, fill in the blanks. C Flash CS6. It is an dash software. Jasmine called. Jasmine, unmute yourself and answer the first blank.
Yes, ma'am.
Slash CS6 is an dash software. Which software it is?
Ma'am, presentation software.
In the book Jasmine, you have been given the options for this exercise. I think there is no option of presentation in that hint. The correct answer is animation. Flash CS6
Okay.
is an animation software. Clear? Coming
Yes, ma'am.
upon
Okay.
coming upon to the next statement, Rishita. Dash is the area where we can create drawings.
Excuse me, मैम
Yes, Rishita.
मैम मुझे पूछना था अभी क्या करवा रहे हो मेरा नेट नहीं चल रहा था
We are discussing the exercise, beta. Let's answer me the second blank. Dash is the area where we can create drawings. What is the correct answer of this statement? Do you know?
I don't know. No, ma'am.
Okay, Suhana, you have raised your hand.
And stage.
Right, the correct answer is stage. Stage is the area where we can create the drawings. Next one, let us ask this answer from Navya. Navya, third one. Dash tool is used to draw smooth curves. Pen tool. The correct answer is pen tool. So basically, when you want to draw either the flowing curves or you want to draw the smooth curves, the tool used is the pen tool. Clear? Coming upon to the next one, let's ask this answer from Nitya. Nitya, dash
Yes, ma'am.
is a free hand selection tool. Dash tool,
Lasso.
free hand selection tool. It is lasso tool. Very good. And the last one, the shortcut key for drawing line is N. When you want to draw a line in Flash, the shortcut key for this is N. Coming upon to the next exercise, that is true and false. So, Ayushi, will you answer the first statement? Text tool is used to type the text on the stage.
Ma'am, true.
It is true. Very good. So let's ask the next statement to Krishna. The shortcut key for pen tool is P. Krishna, the shortcut key for pen tool is P. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
True. Very good. The second answer is also true. Coming upon to the next one, let's ask this answer from Mishti, roll number 32. Mishti, unmute yourself, Mishti. You cannot draw curved lines in Flash. True or false? Unmute yourself. True or false? You cannot draw curved lines in Flash. Jashanpreet. Jashanpreet. Very good. Okay, Puranjay. You cannot draw curved lines in Flash. True or false?
False.
False, because you can draw curved lines in Flash with the help of the pen tool. Clear? Next, Bhavya. You can change the color of the lines by using the properties panel. You can change the
Yes.
color of the lines by using properties panel. True or false?
True.
True. Very good. So coming upon to the next one, Ayushi. Unmute yourself, Ayushi. Fill color tool is used to fill color in the object. Ayushi.
Ma'am, true.
True? No, it is false. Because
Yes.
fill color tool is not a tool, it is a property. Secondly, the tool that is used to fill the colors in an object is paint bucket tool. So this statement is false. Clear? Fifth statement, it is false. So coming upon to the next exercise, match the columns. So here we have the different tools given to us along with their icon. So we will be discussing the correct answers. So let's ask this answer to Suhana. Lasso tool.
Ma'am, C part.
Lasso tool, C part. Pen tool, Suhana.
Ma'am, D part.
Right. Lasso tool is your C part and the pen tool is your D part. So coming upon to the next one, Harshia. Eraser tool.
Ma'am, E part.
Eraser tool, E part. And pencil tool.
Ma'am, A part. A.
Pencil tool is your A part. The last one, paint bucket tool, that is your B part. Here, you are required to mark these exercises on your books itself. Okay, so coming upon to the next one.
Can I give answer?
Daksh. May I know where is Daksh? Who is attending the class on his behalf? Okay, Daksh, you are required to be on your screen when you are attending the class. Okay, so let us mark the answers now in your books, which these four questions you are required to do on your book, on your fair notebook, sorry, and you will be sending me the PDF today itself of these four question answers. Clear? So let's start the first answer with Nischay Joshi. Nischay.
Yes,
What is Flash, Nischay? And what are the main components of Flash window?
Flash is a Creative Suite CS6 is an animation software package. It is one of the most widely used software for creating animation with images, sound, videos, etc. Flash is also used to create
Nischay, components, beta?
the components of Flash are main bar, tool panel, timeline, stage, and panels.
It's not main bar, it's menu bar. So
Menu bar.
the answer we can write as Flash CS6 is an animation software package used for creating animations with images, sound, videos, etc. Here, Flash CS6 is an animation software package used for creating animations with images, sound, videos, etc. Its components are menu bar, tools panel, timeline, stage, and panels. Clear? No need to write the description, the detail of the components, just write their names. Clear? So coming upon to the next answer, let's ask the next answer from Sanket. Yes, Sanket. Unmute yourself. All right.
Yes.
What do you mean by the term stage, Sanket?
This is a part of a Flash workspace where we can place the graphics and create our drawings or memes.
Right. The correct answer, Flash Flash stage. What do you mean by the term stage? This is the part of the Flash workspace where we can place the graphics and create our drawings or movies. Clear? Next one.
Yes.
What is the use of the brush tool? Use of the brush tool. Bani, what is the use of the brush tool, Bani? Unmute yourself. Okay, Akriti, what is the use of the brush tool?
Brush tool is used to draw brush-like strokes and allows you to paint an object with the desired color.
Right. Brush tool is used to draw brush-like strokes and allows you to paint an object with the desired color. This answer is on page number 111. Clear? Brush tool is used to draw brush-like strokes and allows you to paint an object with the desired color. The last answer, Bhavya. What is the use of paint bucket tool? Bhavya, unmute yourself and answer the last question. What is the use of paint bucket tool?
Paint bucket tool is used to fill an object.
Paint bucket tool is used to fill enclosed area of an object with the selected color in a single click. On page number 111. Clear? On page number 111. Clear, students? So these questions are supposed to be done in your fair notebooks. Now